Well, hello and welcome. This is Jennifer Sparks, and we are going to be going to Tybee Island today. Me and my husband Kelly are down here in Hilton Head, staying at 3 different Marriott properties for 3 weeks. So we're taking little day trips, and we're taking you with us. I was really so excited to go here. I'm the kind of person that will look at a map. I seriously stare at maps, and I'm like, I want to go there. I have to go there. And that's what I'm doing. Right now, I'm 52. I'm going to be 53 in a couple of months. And I'm just kind of scratching off all the bucket lists. I look at this Tybee Island on the map for so long, and I'm like, I'm going to go. I'm going to do it. We unfortunately picked a really chilly day, though. It was cold. We tried walking around and going on the beach, and we were like, nah, screw this. So a lot of this video is going to be of us driving. So it was great that Kelly was there because he was driving and I got to video. It's very hard to drive and video at the same time. I don't recommend it. So this is us driving to the beach, and there's a little downtown area. This place is really cool. In fact, I was just trying to find music for this video, and it's really beachy, very California, but it's got a really retro vibe. Like, I felt like kind of like late 1970s, early 80s. It was really cool. I actually really liked it, the vibe. It was neat. So we didn't really get to see too much of the beach. There's a pier and some birds, and we just like walked around the downtown area for a little while, and then we're like, it's cold. Those of you that know me know I spent a ton of time in Florida. I think I'm getting that Florida blood now. I live in Connecticut, but I'm like, all right, well, it's warmer here than it is in Connecticut. Connecticut was having 0 degrees, and this was probably 30, 40. So we walked around for a while, and unlike Hilton Head where everything is open, even though it's off season, a lot of the places were closed. So we were like, all right, let's go find somewhere to eat. So I went and I researched, and I found the most talked about place on the island, Huck-a-poos, we're going to be going to. So we got back in our car and we started going to that place, and you got to stick around to see this place. It's pretty, it's something else. That's all I got to say. It's very cool. This looks here like this may be the big hotel of the island, Hotel Tybee it's called. If I come back again, I would probably stay there, stay the night, see the place a little bit more, do a little more exploring. But I probably wouldn't come in January because it seemed like a lot of stuff was closed, like I said. On our way to Huck-a-poo, stick around. Like I said, you got to see this place. And check out my other videos if you're interested in Florida, especially Orlando. I have tons of videos of all the resorts over there. A lot of people, while we're driving, I figured I'd just chat. A lot of people ask me how I get to go away so much. How do I afford it? I have a timeshare, so believe me, I'm not a timeshare presentation person. I'm just someone telling you how I do it. And I have the freedom and flexibility to go whenever the rates are the best, when it's the off seasons. So I take full advantage of that. It's not for everybody. Okay, we're entering Huck-a-poos here. That's another video. I'll get more into that in another video, the timeshare stuff. This place is, it's something. It's a little shopping center, and they were all like little houses with like little different stores. There was a place here that looked really cool. It had like all different hot sauces, but it was closed. Place is definitely a must-see for sure. I think it's a really big local hangout. It seemed like a lot of people knew each other there, but it was very welcoming and nice. It was very friendly. We ate inside, though they did have outside dining, but it was chilly, like I said a million times in this video. It had such a eclectic flair. It has a very retro flair too. It was kind of like stepping back in time. We ordered pizza. It was $20 for this pizza, but it was like we ate out of it 3 times. It was huge. And we had some beers. And like I said, just the visual, just to hang out here for an hour, it's not probably like the most amazing food or the amazing service in the world, but it was very visually entertaining. I'd recommend it if you ever go to Tybee Island and check it out. It's really cool. Yo. Hi. Well, thank you very much for joining us on our adventure today. I'm going to be putting this in my playlist of Hilton Head if you want to see more videos. I'm currently working on about 6 or 7, so by the end of the week I should have a lot of videos of Hilton Head area, and I'm actually going to have one of all the food places that we went to and the hotels we're staying at. So thank you for joining me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I always love to make new friends that like to travel, so have a great day. Thank you very much.